सर कैमरा ऑन करके भी बोल
बिल,
सकते हैं ना?
बिल्कुल, हाँ बिल्कुल बोल सकते हैं आप। बोलिए, आप प्रिया बोलिए, यस स्टार्ट करो।
यस सर। Hello everyone, my name is Priya Meena and today I am telling the uh, about the Rajasthan.
हम्म।
Rajasthan is located in the western India.
हम्म।
Its its total area is 3,42,239
हम्म।
kilometer
वेरी गुड, स्क्वायर किलोमीटर।
square kilometer.
हम्म।
Uh, it is the 10.41% of India and it is the biggest state of India.
वेरी गुड। हम्म।
Uh, Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur.
वेरी गुड,
It
बोलते जाओ
is
बेटा। हाँ।
it is very beautiful city.
स्टेट, अच्छा
Uh,
जयपुर के लिए बोल रहे हैं आप, ठीक है बोलो।
uh,
हम्म।
Rajasthan's national animals names are Chinkara and camel. Chinkara is a non-domestic animal and camel is domestic animal.
वेरी गुड, हाँ।
Rajasthan's uh, Rajasthan's national tree's name is Khejdi and flower's name is Rohida.
हम्म।
Rajasthan's national game's name is basketball
हम्म।
and Rajasthan's national dance name is Ghumar
हम्म।
and geet names national geet names is Kesariya Valam Padharo Ni
हम्म।
Aao Mare Desh.
वेरी गुड।
Rajasthan's dance call Atma.
हम्म।
Rajasthan's Atma. Uh, Rajasthan. There are three national park and 26 centuries wildlife sanctuaries in Rajasthan.
आप अगर चाहो तो कैमरा बंद कर सकते हो, मैं यूट्यूब पे डालूंगा रिकॉर्डिंग, चाहो तो।
No sir, कोई
कोई
दिक्कत
दिक्कत
नहीं
नहीं
है.
है, ठीक है चलने दो, हाँ।
Um, there there is there is a sweet water lake in
हम्म।
in Rajasthan,
हम्म।
which name is Jaisamand Lake.
हम्म।
It it also called Devar Lake.
हम्म।
Uh, there is also a there is also a salt water lake in Rajasthan, which name is Sambar Lake.
हम्म।
It is helpful for salt production in Rajasthan.
हम्म। विच नेम की जगह हुज नेम, जिसका नाम। कोई बात नहीं, आगे
Whose
बोलो।
name?
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो।
Rajasthan's longest river's name is Chambal.
हम्म।
Uh, there are 33 districts in Rajasthan.
हम्म।
Uh, all all districts are very popular.
हम्म।
There are four क्या बोलते हैं there are four geographical region in Rajasthan.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, हाँ।
First is Western Desert
हम्म।
region.
हम्म।
Second is Aravali Mountain region,
वेरी गुड,
and
हाँ।
third is Eastern Plains region,
हम्म।
and fourth is Rajasthan Pathar or Hadoti Plateau.
हम्म।
There is a big desert of Rajasthan.
इन राजस्थान,
Like
हाँ।
there is a big desert of India,
हम्म।
which name is
नेम्ड भी कर सकते हो आप, नेम इन इंडिया नेम्ड, फिर नाम बोल दो, विच नेम की जगह या हुज नेम की जगह नेम्ड बोल करके नाम बोल दो आप, हाँ।
sir, whose name is Thar Desert.
हम्म।
It is very hot desert.
हम्म।
It is very popular desert in world.
हम्म।
There are many and ancient civilization civilization
सिविलाइजेशन,
civilization in Rajasthan.
हाँ।
Rajasthan famous Rajasthan's famous food is dal bati churma.
हम्म।
and Rajasthan's famous for fort, palace, and many mountains.
शाबाश.
It is famous for सर पर्यटन को क्या बोलेंगे?
टूरिज्म.
Tourism.
हम्म.
I love Rajasthan
हम्म.
because it is very beautiful. That's it.
शाबाश. हाँ, स्टार्ट करो.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Sonam Meena. I study in 12th class from B2 batch. Today my topic is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is very much ancient history and land of historical and one
आवाज सही नहीं आ रही. आवाज सही नहीं है.
Rajasthan
आवाज सही नहीं आ रही. हाँ, चालू करो.
Good morning, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Seema Meena. I study in 12th Arts. I am here today to speak a few words about Rajasthan.
शाबाश. हाँ.
Rajasthan is the largest of India. Rajasthan is in northwest of India. It was formed on 30 March 1949. There are 33 districts in Rajasthan. Jaipur is the largest and the capital city of Rajasthan.
शाबाश. हाँ.
Diwali, Holi, Gangnor, Teej, Janmashtami, और Makar Sankranti and Deepavali celebrated festival on Rajasthan. Rajasthan, the main dance form of Rajasthan is Ghumar and Kalbelia dance.
तालबेलिया.
The
हाँ.
famous food was dal bati churma. Rajasthan main sport is football. The camel and chinkara are the state animals of Rajasthan.
शाबाश.
The traditional dress of Rajasthan is choli or ghagra with dupatta for women and pajama dhoti kurta for men. I love Rajasthan because it is most beautiful. That's it.
शाबाश. बोल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Meena. I study in 12th class. Today my topic is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a state in the northern part. Rajasthan, it is very famous for its ancient story and land of historical fort. Rajasthan is one of the largest state. The state of Rajasthan is first known as Rajputana. This state was named Rajputana due to it being the land of kings. After the independence of the country, this state named to be known as Rajasthan. It was founded on 1 November 1956. The capital of this state is Jaipur. The state language of Rajasthan are Hindi and Rajasthani.
Very good.
The national animal here is chinkara. India is one of the tourist destination of the country. Countries and foreigners come here. The historical parts of Rajasthan attract the tourists due to the art and culture of the places.
Very good.
Rajasthan has an area of 342 to 29 kilometers square and is the large state of country. There are many festivals celebrated here like Teej, Gangaur, Gogarnapmi, Tejadasmi, etc. There are many types fair organization like Puskar, Ramdebra, Parvashar, etc. There are many nritya of Rajasthan like Ghumar, Chang, Cheri Nritya, Gair Nritya, Gidar Nritya, etc. There are 33 districts of Rajasthan. Special songs are sung here. Traditional costumes are wear for men dhoti kurta and for women lehenga chunni etc. There are many religion people are live here. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, स्टार्ट करो।
सर 1 मिनट। Yes, sir.
प्रिया से स्टार्ट करो।
Hello, sir. Good evening. My name is Payal. I am student English online interactive classes.
स्टूडेंट
I am telling about
हाँ कोई बात हाँ
I am telling about Rajasthan.
हाँ
Bharat is the biggest country.
इज द बिगेस्ट कंट्री
Whose
हाँ
is the biggest country. Whose are 33 districts and 7 division. And there is a Rajasthan.
राजस्थान
When
इज वन ऑफ देम।
India
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
when India became independent on 15 August 1947, there were many small precisely states in this country. When Rajasthan was to be known as Rajputana, when several princely states merged in India, it came to be called Rajasthan. It is also called Rangila Rajasthan because here is the inclusion of many colors. There are many variations in this country.
वेरिएशंस हाँ
Variations in this country. The people of Rajasthan, its beliefs and cultures, their citizens, their faith, their belonging, etc. have many colors. Due to color in these different colors, it is always colored. Our colorful Rajasthan is very attractive and lovely. There are 2 forms of the land of Rajasthan. Its western part is the green and the west part is the sandy. The Aravalli range extends between it. There is a lack of water in the groves. Dhania and Dhoras of this region. That dry sand spreads everywhere. Both of the famous are very sorry sir, not only these, Rajasthan is an ancient region. Its history is full of सर वीरों को क्या बोलते हैं?
वॉरियर्स
Warriors.
Warriors WA
Warriors of its residents. The heroes here did not refrain from working on the ad of the country, and the women of these places also did not lag behind in Johar Vrat. The men here are strong, but here woman is beautiful. Quality is also strong. There are many things of archaeology here, like many forts, mahal, forts, mahal, temples, etc. Haldi Waril still tells the story of pride to this Pradesh. There are many holy pilgrimage like Shri Mahadev Ji, Kela Devi, Mandipur Balaji, Pushkar Ji, etc. The culture unique level. There are many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Teej, Gangor, etc. Here are some of the one found to be interesting like fair and folk dance, etc. It was the Harians like Padmini and Panna. So also born devotees like Sahajobai and Mirabai. Rajasthan's living and dress are very amazing. These people tie a turban in a 1000 ways. सर पगड़ी को टर्बन ही बोलते हैं क्या?
बिल्कुल सही है, पगड़ी को टर्बन ही बोलते हैं.
People of Rajasthan are fond of colorful clothes and jewelry. There are many clothes like घाघरा चोली, सलवार, कुर्ती, पगड़ी, धोती कुर्ता, अंगरखा, पायजामा, कमरबंद, ओढ़नी, etc. The food here is also very famous. There are very famous dish dal bati churma. There are many types of dishes available here like mawa kachori of very famous dish of Jodhpur, ghevar of Jaipur, malpua of famous dish Pushkar, Rasgulla of Bikaner, etc. It is also very famous to have pan after meals. Folk dance is very famous of Rajasthan. There are very famous folk dance of Rajasthan like Garba, कालबेलिया नृत्य, चंग नृत्य, तेरह ताली, etc. Rajasthan is the very famous city. I love for my city. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. Yeah, beta.
Hello friends, good evening. I am Neha Sharma from 12th class. I am the student of Ramban Live Interactive Classes. I want to tell about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is largest state of India. It is also called Land of Kings. Rajputana was the old name of Rajasthan. It is land of warriors. There are 33 districts in Rajasthan like Shri Ganganagar, Hanumangarh, Bikaner, Churu, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Churu, Bundi, Kota, etc. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is most famous for its culture and natural beauty. It has many tourist attractions and quality tourist facilities. It has rich culture, heritage, tradition, some sanctuaries and national parks. Rajasthan is often known as the most color coordinated state. The popular cities of Rajasthan are devoted to a separate color. For example, Jaipur is pink, Udaipur is white, Jodhpur is blue, and Jhalawar is purple. Rajasthan has only one hill station, Mount Abu. It has numerous haunted places. Bhangarh Fort is one of
बोलो बोलो बोलो।
Bhangar Fort is one of the most haunted palace in India. Jaisalmer is the largest district of Rajasthan. Jaipur is famous for Amer Fort, Jantar Mantar, Nahargarh Fort, City Palace, Albert Museum, etc. Alwar is famous for Bala Killa, Silisade, and Sariska.
Very good.
Udaipur is famous for its lake and its lakes and palaces. Jodhpur, Bundi, Jhalawar are famous for palaces, forts, and paintings. Kota is famous for major coaching hub of JEE and NEET.
Very good.
Many languages are spoken in Rajasthan,
बहुत अच्छा,
like Dhundari, Marwadi, Mewadi, Braj Bhasha, Bagri, etc.
Very good. हाँ.
Dal bati churma is the famous food of Rajasthan. Banas is the longest river in Rajasthan. Camel is the official state animal of Rajasthan.
Very good.
Most of the women wear ghagra, choli, and odhni in Rajasthan. There are many fairs and festivals in Rajasthan, like Teej Festival, Gangor Festival, Elephant Festival, Desert Festival, Pushkar Festival, Marwar Festival, etc. Teej and Gangor are most popular festival of Rajasthan. There are many lakes in Rajasthan, like Rajsamand Lake, Uday Sagar Lake, Pichola Lake,
बोलो बोलो.
Sambhar Lake, Fateh Sagar Lake, etc. There are many folk dance in Rajasthan, like Ghumar dance, drum dance, fire dance, Kathak dance, etc. Thus, Rajasthan is the tourist paradise. It is the most beautiful and strangeful state. That's it, sir.
Very good. बिल्कुल कर दे बेटा.
Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from B6. Today I am telling about the Rajasthan. Rajasthan located west in India.
In preposition का ध्यान रख बेटा. राजस्थान is located in Western India. ऐसे थोड़ा ध्यान से बोल, आराम से बेटा, जोड़ते हुए. हाँ बोल.
Rajasthan was founded in India on 1956. Rajasthan is a popular state.
Very good.
Rajasthan is a beauty state from tourist point of woman.
बस ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोल बेटा, आराम से, ना थोड़ा सा आराम से तसल्ली से बोल बेटा.
Every year tourists come here. Rajasthan has many places to visiting.
शाबाश. हाँ.
Rajasthan famous food is dal bati churma. Rajasthan famous dress is dhoti kurta pagdi juti. This is dress of men's. Rajasthan famous dress is lehenga lugdi. This is the dress of women's.
Very good.
Rajasthan has 33 districts. Rajasthan has a Samar Jheel. Whose water is very salty. Rajasthan has Aravali Parvatmala. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Jaipur was founded in Rajasthan on 1727. There are 7 gates to enter the city. There is a rampart around the old city. Jaipur names was kept by founder second King Jai Singh.
Kept नहीं, capped. बोल बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, बोल, सब हो जाएगा ठीक. हाँ.
Jaipur is called Pink City because Prince of Wales came here first time in 1857. So Jaipur colored from pink color to welcome of Prince.
The Prince.
Of the Prince, Jaipur is the 10th big city according to 2011 census.
बेटा राजस्थान के बारे में बोलना बेटा, ज्यादा जयपुर के बारे में नहीं बोलना बेटा. हाँ बोल बेटा.
Jaipur has many tourist places. There are city place, Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal, Albert Hall Museum, Ram Niwas Garden, Amer Fort, Jaigarh, Nargarh, Jal Mahal, etc. Rajasthan famous dance is Ghumar. Rajasthan state word is Godawan.
Very good.
Alwar is called heart of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is called Dharti Dhorari because here is desert. It is rain very few here.
Very little.
That
Very little, beta.
very little here. That farming is done not depend on rain. Here is founded. सर रेत के टीलों क्या बोलेंगे?
Sand dunes. Sand dunes. हाँ.
There is founded sand dune. Ranthambore is beautiful state in Rajasthan.
District. हाँ. Place. Sorry. Ranthambore is place. हाँ. आगे बोलो. हाँ.
Ranthambore has many places to visiting.
हाँ.
Here is famous Fort Ranthambore Kila and famous Zoo Ranthambore Abhyaran. There are saved tiger, peacock, ducks, etc. Tok is very small state in Rajasthan. Vanas river flow in Tok. Tok famous band is Bhuto ka band.
अच्छा.
Tok has Jama Masjid. Rajasthan has Jaisalmer state.
State district. State not district. हाँ.
Rajasthan has Jaisalmer district. It is very hot district.
शाबाश.
Place live day in hot and night in cold from because of shade. There many people come hot desert to visit. Rajasthan near to Pakistan of border.
राजस्थान is वर्ब का ध्यान रखा कर बेटा. राजस्थान is near Pakistan border.
Near to Pakistan of border. Rajasthan small river is Loni. Rajasthan has big masjid in the world. Their name is Ajmer Dargah. It is located in Ajmer. I am a Rajasthani girl, so I like to Rajasthani nature. I love to my state. That's all.
Very good. बहुत. चालू कर.
Okay, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Spaj Gupta and I am the student of Brahman English online interactive classes from batch B1. And today I am going to tell you about on the topic of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is one of the most beautiful state of India. It is the largest state of India by the area of 3,42,239 kilometers. It is also called the sand dunes. It is also called the sand dogs. We can visit many places in Rajasthan like Ranthambore National Park, Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar, City Palace, etc. The famous food of this state is dal bati churma, bhujia, pyaj kachori, etc. The famous festivals of this state are Tej, Shitla Ashtami, Gangaur, etc. Whenever we think the name of, whenever we take the name of Rajasthan, we think the famous dance Ghumar. We think the famous dance Ghumar, the riding of camel in Thar Desert, the Thar Desert, or Kalbelia dance, Kalbelia Nritya, etc. Here men's wear dhoti. Here men's wear pajama, kurta and turban, which is the respect of their own. The people of here respects the culture of Rajasthan. और sorry, एक minute. Here guests are treated with respect and
Guest नहीं,
open
guests.
Here
Guests.
guests are treated with open art and respect. The current king of the Rajasthan is Swami Prabhanab. The current king of the Rajasthan is Swami Prabhanab.
Padmanabham.
Rajasthan
बोलो.
Padmanabh. The Rajasthan is the famous city of India. I like Rajasthan because I am Rajasthani, and the mother tongue of here is Mewadi or Marwadi, etc. That's it, sir.
Very
Thank you.
good. बोल बेटा.
सर मैं लेफ्ट हो जाऊं तो वापस से बोलूंगी सर.
हाँ बोल.
Hello friends, myself Vijika and today I am telling about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a state of India and the Rajasthan means is the abode of Rajas was formerly called as Rajputana, like the country of Rajputas. And it is also the motherland of Rajputs, and it is the biggest state in India in area, and its total area is 3,42,239 square kilometer, and its total population is 6.81 crore, and there are 33 districts, and every district has its symbol, and its capital is Jaipur, and it is known as Pink City,
शाबाश
and
बेटा.
and Jaipur has many symbols, and there are many tourist places like Amer Mahal, Hawa Mahal, City Palace, and Birla Mandir, and Akshapa, and other temples and other things are also here for visitation, and for visiting, and the Rajasthan has been divided in many parts, like the southern part. The southern part is called Haruti, and in it Kota, Bundi, Jhalawar, Bundi comes, and the western part. The western part is called Haruti, and the south part is called Mewar. In it, Chittor, Udaipur, and other districts comes, and the southwestern part, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Nagaur, Badmer are called Marwad, and its geographical condition is also changed, and in the southwestern there is totally sand, the sand of dunes, and in the west water is found mostly, and the climate is also change of Rajasthan because of Aravalli mountain. The one part of Rajasthan has rain, and the other one part has not rain, so that it is totally desert, and its area is called Thar Desert. And if we talk about its districts, then Jaipur is the capital of it, and it is famous, and their delicious foods and sweets like Amer ki gonji, and dal kachori, and the Sanganeri bedsheet, and for visiting Amer Palace, and Nargad, and Birla Mandir, etc. are here to visit. And if we talk about Alwar, then
the Bhangad, that is the honest place. It is counted
हाँ बोलो 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 बोलो
haunted place.
हाँ haunted
It
place
is it is counted in 10 most haunted places in India. And if we talk about Udaipur, then it is totally the land of Mauryas and to the Rajputs, and their about their kings to sacrifice their motherland. Their stories do us wonder if we listen to about them, like Panna Dhai, Uday Singh, Maharana Pratap, and others. And for visiting Maharana Palace and Udaipur and Lake, Fateh Sakal Lake, and Haldi Ghati area to visit. There are many places, and there is not a popular thing to eat. Everything is eaten there. And if we talk about Chittorgarh, then the Chittorgarh Palace is the most popular palace in Rajasthan. It is known. Its palace is known about Padmini Rani. And if we talk about the Thar Desert area, then there's famous foods and dress are totally Rajasthani, and their mother tongue there is Marwadi is spoken, and their Sangri cave and Mongri and other things are eaten. And in the Rajasthan, the biggest colony of the Asia is here. That's name is Mansurot, and the Rajasthan is called the Ajaib Ghar of Khani industries. And Rajasthan gets the first ranks in many industries, and I like Rajasthan. That's also.
very good आजा हाँ
Can we start?
हाँ
Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Online Classes from B2. Today I want to tell you about the topic of Rajasthan. Rajasthan, the largest state in terms of area, is known all over the world due to its many specialist, many patriotic stories related to Rajasthani, to Rajshahi history, and the working place of Raja Maharajas of Rajasthan increase the pride of the state. Stories of heroic stories, romantic stories, lively culture, sandy desert, ride on a camel to the land. When these memories come on the table, in the same name comes in our mind, Mharo Rangilo Rajasthan. In history, it was known as Rajputana, the land of kings. After independence, it came to be known as Rajasthan. This state of northern India, in the unique shade of nature, is a living proof of its timeless wonder.
very good
The destination of the travels who is fond of traveling ends here. Rajasthan is a northern Indian state on the banks of Pakistan. Its place and forts are historically reminders of many sir विवादित क्या disputed kingdoms for this reason. Rajasthan capital's Jaipur means pink city. It's so famous. Rajasthan is one of the popular tourist destination in India for both domestic and foreign tourists. Rajasthan has adopted its slogan for its historical. सर किले को किले बोलेंगे ना?
हाँ, फोर्ट बोल दो किला बोल दो, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ,
हिस्ट्रिकल किले
फोर्ट्स बोल दो बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ,
हिस्ट्रिकल फोर्ट्स historical forts plays arts culture and the country, and now it is attracting tourists along with the logo of tourism. Every third tourist coming to India definitely travels to Rajasthan because it is an important part of the golden triangle of tourist
शाबाश, very good. हाँ,
destination in India.
very good. हाँ, बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट बोला. हाँ,
The places of Rajasthan, the lake of Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, and the desert part of Bikaner are among the favorite destination of tourists.
शाबाश. हाँ,
Rajasthan has recorded an increase of 8% in tourism as compared to previous years. Many historical buildings, mahals, and forts here are classified as heritage hotels. Rajasthan is particularly known for having taken its hill forts and place. Rajasthani people are considered to be very fond of food. The identity of the state due to its food also takes its pride. सर गौरव को प्राइड ही बोलते हैं ना?
हाँ हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत good.
Here on 10 course the dish and their taste also change with the taste of water. भुजिया, सांगरी, दाल बाटी चूरमा, पिटौर की सब्जी, दाल की पूरी, मावा मालपुआ, बीकानेरी रसगुल्ले, घेवर, झाझरिया, लापसी, etc. are maintain the taste of people's tongues. The music and dance sing on various occasions of the local public is very unique and sweet here. Even today, people have associated their traditions with themselves. Safa, turban, dhoti, kurta in the costume of Rajasthani man, and lehenga, kurti and colorful odhni is women's costumes reflect the जीवंता vividness.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
The vividness unique Rajasthani art. Sunny art. सर अति सुंदर.
Very beautiful.
सर एक और वर्ड था ना वो एक्वासाइट ऐसा कुछ था.
हाँ, बोल दो ना एक्वासाइट.
The एक्वासाइट example of carving gold, clay and glass ornaments and stones carving can be seen in Rajasthan itself. Rajasthan is considered a dry and desert region. The climate here remains warm throughout the year. Here too, the temperature is quite high in the three seasons: winter, summer, and rainy. In summer, Mercy touch 50 degrees. The Mount Abu region of Siroi is the coldest place of the state. Provides some relief this summer. Summers. Rajasthani and Hindi are spoken in most of the area of the state. The districts of the neighboring states speak mixed language of the two states in separate districts. Somewhere the confluence of Gujarati, Punjabi, Malviya, Sindhi, Haryanvi, Braj, etc. can be seen in Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is the very largest district and so famous. I
State.
love my state. That's it, sir.
Very good. Yes, start करो.
Hello everyone, my name is Gati and I am the student of Raman English Online Interactive Classes B1. Today's our topic is Rajasthan, which is our state, our own state. We all many of us live in Rajasthan, and we all know about Rajasthan very well. So I also want to tell you about something about Rajasthan. First of all, we all know that Rajasthan is the Rajasthan is the state of great warriors, and those warriors are our pride. So Rajasthan, first of all, I want to tell about Rajasthan's capital. The Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is called Gulabi Nagri also. And there are many tourist places in Rajasthan like Nahargarh Fort, Jaigarh Fort, Amer Fort, and Jantar Mantar. So there are many tourist places in Jaipur. Then I want to talk about Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer is the largest district of Rajasthan, and the Thar Desert is also in Jaisalmer, which is known in all over world. There are the camel is called the Jahaj of Registan, because it चल चलने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Moves on.
It moves in sand easily, and there are many sand dunes in Jaisalmer. The Sonar Killa is also in Jaisalmer. It is called Sonar Killa because it is said that when the sun rays shines on it, shine like gold. So it is called Sonar Killa. The famous food of Rajasthan is dal bati churma, and the famous sweet of Rajasthan is ghevar. And there are many tourist places in Rajasthan. If we talk about hill station, so Mount Abu is the famous hill station of Rajasthan. The highest peak of Mount Abu is Guru Shikhar, which is in Sirohi. Mount Abu is also in Sirohi. The Pichola Lake, Ana Sagar Lake. So there are many lakes in Rajasthan. There are many canals and rivers also in it. The Indira Gandhi Canal is the biggest handmade canal of world, which is in Rajasthan, which was made to Rajasthan. And the Ranthambore Fort is also in Rajasthan. The famous Ganeshji temple is also in it, and the Sariska, which is very known which is known for its sanctuary, is very great place for tourists. Tourists like our Rajasthan for their travel, and there are many temples also in Rajasthan, and the Mewar is called the land of warriors because our great warrior Mahana Pratap belongs from Udaipur, which is in Mewar, and there are many forts there, like the Mewar Fort and Vijay Sthambh also is there, and like it the Rajasthan is a place of victory. Rajasthan is a place of great warriors, and the famous dressing of Rajasthan is dhoti, kurta, and the folk dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar and Kalbelia. Uh, it is known that in any festival, the festival is not complete without Ghumar. So Ghumar is very popular in Rajasthan. That's it.
Okay, very good. Follow.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good evening. Today I am Akshay Mana from 12th class, and I am very grateful of you that I have been invited here to speak on Rajasthan.
कैमरा चालू कर ले, रिकॉर्डिंग जाएगी. हाँ,
जी sir.
कर ले.
So if I do something mistake, so please forgive me. Consider as your small brother. So let's start. Rajasthan is the richest cultural and traditional state of India. It is the biggest state of India, and the area of Rajasthan is 3,42,239 square kilometer, and we celebrated 30 March as the Rajasthan Divas. And Hira Lal Shastri was the first chief minister of Rajasthan. There is 33 districts in Rajasthan, and every district has have their personal and famous culture. Famous cultures, and 6 crore 86 lakhs 21,012 people live in Rajasthan, and the official language of Rajasthan is Hindi, but 40 to 45 million people speaks Marwadi.
Very good, very good. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बोल बेटा. हाँ.
Marwadi, and the state animal of Rajasthan is Chinkara, and the state bird is the Indian bustard. The state flower of Rajasthan is Rohida, and the state tree is Khejdi, and the state game is basketball.
ठीक है.
The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, and Rajasthan is also famous for its dance, like Jaisalmer's Ghumar, Udaipur's Ghumars, and the Kalbelia dance of Jaisalmer. With it, Rajasthan is also famous for Kotputli, Bhopa, and Tejaji, etc. cultures. And the history of Rajasthan is very colorful and interesting. We know that Rajasthan is the land of warriors like Mahana Pratap, and all the world know him because of his sacrifice and courage, and for his works, like him, Parthuraj Chauhan, and the Maldiya Rathod. Our history says that Maldiya Rathod is the biggest and powerful warrior of Rajasthan. And there is a lot of tourism places in Rajasthan, like Hawa Mahal, or Sharif Dargah, etc. And there is a lot of temples in Rajasthan. Like Jaipur's Bidla Mandir.
बोल बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बोल बेटा.
Jaipur's Bidla Mandir, and Bikaner's Karni Mata
temple. Yes.
Karni Mata's temple, etc. And Rajasthan is a lot of art. So Rajasthan is also known for its artists. A lot of artists branded the name of Rajasthan in all the world, like Shreya Ghoshal and Irfan Khan. And in sports field, Devendra Jhanjadiya and Hina Sindhu, who is a professional shooter in Olympic Games. They both has they both have achieved a lot of gold medals for our state, and like them, Chanda Gochar, who is the CEO of ICICI Bank, and she was also born in the land of Rajasthan. So it is a very pridable moment for us, and with it, Rajasthan is dal bati churma is the food of Rajasthan, and with it, there there is a lot of food for every tourist, like Bikaner's Bhujia, and Mawa Kachori of Jodhpur, and Bajre ki the chapatis of Bajra, etc. and etc. And the first colonel of Rajasthan is Gurumukh Nihal Singh. So our government gave this name to the Rajasthan's Shimla, Mount Abu. And Guru Shikhar is the highest peak of Rajasthan. Highest peak of Rajasthan, and highest peak of Rajasthan. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बोल.
सर स्टार्ट करूं?
करो बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from batch first, and I am speaking about Rajasthan. We all know about Rajasthan. Now I want to tell you about something Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the most beautiful state of India. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. This state is famous due to its royal history and forts and palaces. And every year a large number of foreigners came here from visit our Rajasthan. Come here. And here a lot of festivals are celebrated like Holi, Deepavali, Makar Sankranti, Janmashtami, Shivratri, etc. Most of the people of Rajasthan know Hindi. The mother tongue of this place is Rajasthan, which is seen in different forms in the area of Marwar, Mewar, and Shekhawati, etc. And the folk dance is famous. Folk dance and Ghumar and Kalbelia is famous in Rajasthan. Here's famous food is dal bati churma. A lot of people are come here for eating this food. And here's famous dress is dhoti kurta and turban for men, and lehenga chunni for women. The largest city of the state, Jaipur, which is also known as the Pink City, and it is the largest state in the country, spread over the area of 342,239 square kilometer. About 7% of total area of this country is inhabited, and the population of Rajasthan is 6.81 crore, and there are 33 districts in Rajasthan. Like Sri Ganganagar, Hanumangarh, Kota, Bara, Bundi, Savai Madhopur, etc. And the state animal is chinkara, and state game of Rajasthan is basketball. And here's state plant is khejdi, and a lot of festivals are celebrated here, and here people are very honesty. They always help each other.
Honest.
Honest, and they live with brotherhood. That's it, sir.
Very good.
ऐसा स्टार्ट करूं?
ओ बिल्कुल कर दो.
Hello everyone, I am Manisha and I am the student of Ramban English online interactive classes from B1 batch. Today I am going to tell you about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state of India in terms of area. It is located near the border of Pakistan. The area of Rajasthan is 342,239 square kilometer, and the rate of literacy is 66.11% according to the 2011 sir वो census.
ठीक है.
Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan, which is called Pink City, and it is also called Paris of India. Rajasthan has 33 districts. Dholpur is the smallest district of Rajasthan, and the Jaisalmer is the largest district of Rajasthan in terms of area. Rajasthan is famous for its historical forts and palaces. Umaid Bhavan Palace is the largest royal palace of Rajasthan, and it is also one of the largest private residence in the world.
Very good.
Rajasthan is a most famous tourist place of India.
Very good.
The most famous slogan is Rajasthan is Padharo Mhara Desh.
Good.
So there are so many folk dances in Rajasthan like Ghumar and Kalbelia, but Ghumar is the most famous folk dance of Rajasthan.
शाबाश. तो नहीं है, दो बोलना है इसको आगे से. दो.
Yes, do.
दो.
Yes.
दो.
Do.
हाँ.
Do.
हाँ.
So,
हाँ बेटा बोल.
Dal bati churma is the most famous food of Rajasthan.
शाबाश.
Rajasthan is also famous for its culture and festivals. There so many festivals are celebrated like Diwali, Holi, Gangaur, Teej, Raksha Bandhan, etc. And so many languages are spoken here, but Hindi, Marwadi and Braj languages are spoken here most. Rajasthan is the land of sacrifice, and Rajasthan has been so many brave and sacrificial kings, and we are proud of them.
Good.
The Thar desert is the प्रमुख को क्या बोलेंगे? Major among the geographical features of Rajasthan.
मेजर एरिया कह सकते हो आप. मेजर एरिया, खाली मेजर नहीं, क्योंकि मेजर एडजेक्टिव एरिया. हाँ हाँ कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो. अब आप आ जाओ.
Rajasthan. The Aravalli range of Rajasthan is the सर वो क्या बताया था? पुरातन ancient mountain range of the world in Rajasthan. Mount Abu and the world famous Dilwara Mandir are also located in Aravalli.
ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
The Kevla Dev and the national Kevladev is the national park of Bharatpur is world famous. So many tourists come here every year to visit Rajasthan. I like Rajasthan, and it's all culture, festivals, and tourist places, and I am proud of Rajasthan. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Yes. Bol
Hello,
beta.
hello friends. My name is Dilfush Mina. Today I am telling about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the biggest state of India. Its area is 3,42,239 square kilometer. It is called Rangila Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Dal bati churma is the famous food of Rajasthan. There are cold desert and hot desert in Rajasthan. Chinsara is the state animal of Rajasthan.
Very good. Bol beta. Shabash beta.
Rajasthan or Khejli is the state tree of Rajasthan. Ghumar is the popular dance of Rajasthan.
Very good.
Or Chambal is the biggest river of Rajasthan. Or Arauli is the biggest range of Rajasthan, which divide Rajasthan in two parts. Or there are 33 districts in Rajasthan, but Jaisalmer is the very biggest district of Rajasthan, and Dholpur is the smallest district of Rajasthan.
ठीक है बेटा, शाबाश.
Male literacy rate of Rajasthan is 79.2%, and female literacy rate of Rajasthan is 52.1%. Many languages are spoken in Rajasthan, like Mewari, Badli, Mewati, etc. Many castes of Rajasthan. There are many castes in Rajasthan, like Meena, Saharia, Panjar, Bopa, etc. The costume of Rajasthan is a dhoti kurta. The coldest place of Rajasthan is Mount Abu. Or favorite sweet of Rajasthan is Zevar.
Very good.
Or I like Rajasthan. That's all.
Very good. बोल बेटा. Start करो बेटा. हाँ बोल बेटा.
I am Anjali Meena. I am talking about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is big state. Rajasthan capital of Jaipur.
Jaipur is capital of Rajasthan. हाँ बोल बेटा, आराम से बोल दे यार, धीरे-धीरे बता जल्दी से. हाँ.
Rajasthan total area of 3,42,229 square kilometer. Many historical palace and tourist palace in Rajasthan.
Place. हाँ बोल, कोई बात नहीं, बोल बेटा. हाँ.
The historical city like Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Chittorgarh, etc. The state is big city Jaipur.
सेंटेंस ढंग से बना के बोल बेटा थोड़ा सा. हाँ बोलती रहे तो कोई बात नहीं, बोल तू. हाँ.
This is
बोलो बेटा. हाँ.
World city.
हाँ.
Every year a large numbers of tourists come to visit Rajasthan.
हाँ.
The coldest state Mount Abu.
हाँ. Coldest state is Mount Abu. हाँ.
The famous dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar.
हाँ.
The famous food of Rajasthan dal bati churma.
हाँ.
Most of Rajasthan people know Hindi.
No Hindi.
No Hindi. This is the historical dress for men, dhoti kurta, and women, lehenga chundri. Many festivals are celebrated in Rajasthan.
Celebrated. हाँ ठीक है बेटा, बोलती रहे. हाँ.
Like Gangor, Goga Nammi, etc. There are 33 districts of Rajasthan.
In Rajasthan.
Sorry, in Rajasthan.
हाँ.
That's it.
हो गया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
चलो ओके. हाँ बोलो.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today I am here to speak about few words about Rajasthan. And I live in Rajasthan, so I am very happy because I have got a chance to speak about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the land of Rajasthan is the land of brave warriors and patriotism because many brave warriors were born here, like Maharana Pratap, Maharana Kumbha, Maharana Vikramaditya, and Maharana Uday Singh, etc. These kings fought against foreign and saved their
foreigners.
These kings fought against foreigners and saved. These kings fought against foreigners and saved their motherland. So it is also said Rajasthan is the land of heroes. Rajasthan old name is Rajputana, and it is and after changing it, the new name is Rajasthan, and the Rajputana means the place of kings. Rajasthan is the beautiful state of India, and it is the biggest state of India, whose capital is the pink city Jaipur, and Rajasthan's west northern part is quiet and रेतीले को क्या बोलते हैं?
Desert.
Dry and desert, which most part are covered by Thar desert. Rajasthan area is 3,42,000 to 3,900 square meter, and Rajasthan is big of many countries of world. Like Rajasthan is 2 yard big from England and 70 yard big from Israel. Rajasthan is famous for its forts, temple, and decorated mansions. Mount Abu is the only one hill station of Rajasthan, and there are many forts in Rajasthan, and but there are many forts in Rajasthan, but 6 forts are famous in Rajasthan. First, Amer Fort. Second, Mehrangarh Fort, Jaisalmer Fort, Ranthambore Fort, Chittorgarh Fort, and Kumbhalgarh Fort. So I want to tell about few words about these forts. Amer Fort is in Jaipur, and it is 11 kilometers far from Pink City, Jaipur, which was made by Mansingh Pratham. Amer Fort is very popular of Jaipur, and it is also included World Heritage in 2013. This fort opened from 8 am to 6 pm, and entering fees is only 100 rupee for for Indians and 500 rupee for foreigners. And there and near Jaipur, Jal Mahal, City Place, Hawa Mahal, Nargad Fort are also near to Jaipur, and the second fort, Mehrangarh Fort, is in Jodhpur, and Mehrangarh Fort is situated on hill, and this fort, and in this fort, Sheesh Mahal, Moti Mahal, and Phul Mahal is in also.
Are in also
Are in also. There is a museum which is considered best museum of Rajasthan, and the entering fees is only 70 rupees for Indians and 500 rupees for foreigners. And Jaisalmer Fort is in Jaisalmer, and Jaisalmer Fort is situated in the middle of Jaisalmer. It is the World Heritage Site, which was made by Rawal Jai Singh. This fort made by Rawal Singh, and sir, वो लाल बालुआ को क्या बोलते हैं? बालू पत्थर.
रेड बालू स्टोन बोल दो आप तो. रेड स्टोन बोलो. रेड स्टोन.
And this fort made by red stone, so it shine like gold at sunset time. And near this fort, Royal Palace, Lakshmi Nath Temple, Jaisalmer Fort, and other heritage center are near. And there are no entering fees, but if you take some pictures and make video, then you will have to give 50 rupees to pictures and 100 rupees to videos. And entering time is 9 to 6 p.m. And Ranthambore Fort is in Savai Madhavpur, and Ranthambore Fort is situated between Ran and Thambore Fort Hill, and Ranthambore is also included in the heritage of UNESCO. There is a tiger reserve in Ranthambore. Many other foreigners birds come here in every year. And 5 Chittorgarh Fort. Chittorgarh Fort is considered biggest fort of Rajasthan, and it has 7 gates, and its name has kept on God's name like Ganesh Pol, Hanuman Pol, Lakshman Pol, Bhairav Pol, Ram Pol, Jodla Pol, and Ram Pol is the main gate of it. And there are some attraction point like Vijay Stambh, Kirti Stambh, and Gauri Mukh, etc. And
etc. ये होता है etcetras. हाँ.
Etcetras run. So it entering time is 9 to 5, and its entering fees is 5 rupee for Indians and 100 rupees for foreigners. And the sixth fort is Kumbhalgarh Fort. Kumbhalgarh Fort is in Rajasthan. This fort is situated on Arauli Parvat Hill, and it is one of them famous of Mewad. It was made by Rana Kumbha, and its walls are very long, so it is also called Second China. So it is also called Second China Wall. And there are many languages spoken in Rajasthan like Rajasthani, Mewadi, Mewati, Dhundadi, Rewati, etc. There are many famous sweets in Rajasthan like Ghevar and Gajak is famous of Jaipur, and Gulab and Rasgulla is famous of Bikaner. Mawa Kachori is famous of Jodhpur, and milk cake is also famous of Alwar, and there are many castes here like Meena Gujar, etc. And there are many dress like so Rajasthani peoples wear dhoti, kurta, lehenga, choli, and salwar suit also, and Alwar is also called of Hut, Rajasthan. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. Start करो बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Prerna Jarwal. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a big state of north part. It is a famous for ancient history and land of
Ancient बेटा, ancient history. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोल बेटा. हाँ.
and the land of historical fort, and before Rajasthan was known from the name of Rajputana, but after the freedom of country, the Rajasthan is known from name of Rajasthan.
By from की जगह by लगाओ बेटा यहाँ पे. By the name of. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बोल बेटा. हाँ, बोल बेटा.
The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. The official language of Rajasthan is Hindi and Marwadi. Hindi and Marwadi. The state animal of Rajasthan is chinkara, and chinkara. Due to foreigners come in the Rajasthan, and due to culture and art of palaces, Rajasthan attract to tourists, and Rajasthan attract to tourists. Due to low rain, farming is done very few in the Rajasthan, and Luni, Banas, Chambal rivers flow in the Rajasthan, and Diwali, Holi, and Shitlashtami festivals are celebrated in the Rajasthan, and there are Sangmarmar and other timber mines in the Rajasthan, and the costume of Rajasthan is very different, and the popular dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar, and there are 33 districts in the Rajasthan. There are Aravali Parvatmala in the Rajasthan. The Rajasthan favorite food is dal bati churma.
शाबाश बेटा. हाँ, बोल बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, बोल बेटा. हाँ.
So I love my Rajasthan. That's all.
Very good. अब बोल बेटा.
Hello friends, my name is Kamal Meena. Today I am telling about Rajasthan. Total district of Rajasthan 33. Latest district is Pratapgarh. There are 295 Panchayat Samitiya in it. Rajasthan total area is 3,42,239 per kilometer.
Very good बेटा. हाँ.
Rajasthan state bird name is Godawan and Sonchadiya. Rajasthan famous food dal bati churma. Rajasthan famous dance is Ghumar and Kalvelia. Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur.
शाबाश बेटा. हाँ. Very good.
Length of Rajasthan state from north to south is 826 kilometer.
Very good. हाँ बेटा. हाँ.
Width of Rajasthan means from west to east is 869 kilometer.
हाँ.
Rajasthan Chief Minister name is Ashok Gehlot. Its state animal name is Chinkara. Rajasthan state flower is Rohida. Hira Lal Shastri served as the first chief minister in Rajasthan of Rajasthan. There are many rivers in Rajasthan. Example Luni, Banas, Chambal, Kali Sindh.
Like example की जगह like.
Like.
हाँ.
जैसे.
हाँ बेटा कोई बात नहीं बोल बेटा. हाँ.
Jodhpur is called Pink City.
हाँ.
Jodhpur is also known as the Blue City.
हाँ non बेटा. हाँ बेटा बोल बेटा.
Non.
हाँ.
Because of the blue colors that decorate many of the houses in the old city area. Jaisalmer is known as the Golden City.
शाबाश.
Udaipur is the White City. There are celebrated many festivals in Rajasthan.
शाबाश. हाँ.
Like is Gangaur, Diwali, Holi, etc.
Very good. हाँ बेटा.
Rajasthan state tree name is Khejri.
हाँ.
It is the biggest state of India. Rajasthan longest river is Chambal.
Very good. हाँ.
The meaning of Rajasthan is land of kings. It is a state in India, in the northwestern side of India.
Very good. शाबाश. हाँ.
It was formed on 13 March
Founded.
1949.
हाँ founded बेटा founded. हाँ कोई बात नहीं.
Founded.
हाँ हाँ कोई बात नहीं बोल आगे बोल.
Rehan Rajputana was married in the India. It is land of wonderful places for forest and festivals. The oldest mountain range in India, Aravalli, is present in Rajasthan.
शाबाश.
There are many tourist places in Rajasthan.
शाबाश बेटा शाबाश बेटा.
There are many languages spoke in Rajasthan.
Spoken. हाँ बेटा.
Spoken.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं बेटा बोल शाबाश बोल बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही बेटा बोल.
I love Rajasthan because it is very beautiful. That's all.
शाबाश बोल.
Hello everyone. Today I am telling about Rajasthan. The name of our country is India. In our country there are people who believe in many religions. Rajasthan is famous state of India. The area of Rajasthan is 3,42,239 square kilometer. There are so many tourist places. There are many forest and palaces like Ajmer Fort, Nargad Fort, Taj Mahal, Hawa Mahal, Sonargarh Fort, Thar Desert, etc. There are many famous temples in Rajasthan like Akhleshwar Mandir, Khatu Sham Temple, Surya Temple, Braj Temple, Brahm Temple, Bhutnath Temple, etc. Rajasthan Chief Minister name is Ashok Gehlot. The state bird of Rajasthan is Godawan. The state animal of Rajasthan is Chink. The state flower of Rajasthan is Rohira. Rajasthan famous food is dal bati churma. Rajasthan famous cloth is lehenga chunni. Rajasthan capital name is Jaipur. Jaipur is big city.
Yes.
I live in Jaipur. There are many people live in Jaipur. Jaipur is called Pink City. Bhul. There are many temples in Rajasthan, in Jaipur, like Govind Dev Ji, Birla Mandir, Moti Dungri,
घबराओ मत बेटा, शाबाश, अच्छा बोल रहे हो आप, घबराओ मत। हाँ,
पोल के हनुमान जी, हवा महल, ताजमहल, गलताजी।
ताजमहल कहाँ गया, पर बोल, कोई बात नहीं है, तू मान लेंगे हम, नहीं है तो भी हम बोल, घबराए मत। हाँ,
There are many dances in Rajasthan, but Ghumar is very beautiful and famous dance in Rajasthan. There are so many languages are spoken in Rajasthan, like Hindi, Marwari, etc. Hindi is simple and always spoken language of Rajasthan. There are many festivals celebrated in Rajasthan, like Holi, Diwali, Makar Sankranti, Dashera, etc. Thank you. That's all.
वेरी
थोड़ा चालू है सर।
बोल बोल
बोलो सर।
बोल बेटा।
Hello everyone, my name is Salman Khan. I read in 12th arts I read in 12th arts. Today I am telling here about Rajasthan. The meaning of Rajasthan is land of kings. It is a state in the northwestern side of India. The state covers area of 3,42,239 square kilometer. The state is surrounded by Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab. It is a famous in the state wonderful places, forts and festivals that the Ghumar dance is very famous of Rajasthan, and the dal bati churma food is very famous of Rajasthan.
दाल बाटी चूरमा ऑफ राजस्थान ऐसे बोलना होता है,
of Rajasthan
is very famous. हाँ,
yes sir. Very famous. Every year tourists came here to visit Rajasthan. Jaipur is the largest capital of Rajasthan.
लार्जेस्ट का क्या मतलब होता है? चल बोल, कोई बात नहीं, बोल। हाँ,
capital of Rajasthan. That's it sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है, चालू कर।
Hello everyone, I am Pooja, a student of Ramban Interactive Online Classes.
शाबाश बेटा, बोल बेटा।
I am talking about Rajasthan.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, बोल बेटा।
Rajasthan is the largest state of India and one of the most beautiful states in India.
शाबाश।
The culture of the state famous among the world. Even today, whenever Rajasthan is named, the desert forever, our eyes, Thar Marusthal, Thar Registan, camel rides, Ghumar and Kalbeli dance and colorful mutual custom. Ghumar is a folk dance of Rajasthan.
शाबाश.
Tourists come India and Rajasthan to see
different places. हाँ बोल बेटा. हाँ बोल. To see. हाँ. To see historical places, different places. हाँ ऐसे बोलना बेटा. हाँ.
To see Rajasthan forts, places,
शाबाश.
and temples.
हाँ.
Jaipur is capital of Rajasthan.
हाँ.
There are many famous places in Jaipur like Amer Fort, Nargad Jagad, Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal, etc.
Very good. हाँ बेटा.
That's it.
शाबाश.
Okay, sir.
चालू करो बेटा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Hello, everyone. Today I am telling you about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state of India.
हाँ.
Rajasthan is a very beautiful state.
हाँ.
Rajasthan has so many tourist places.
Very good. Very good. हाँ बोल बेटा. हाँ.
Like there are so many temple, forest,
हाँ.
forts, places, historical and religious places in Rajasthan. The state bird of Rajasthan is Godawan. The state animal of Rajasthan is Chinkara.
चिंकारा. हाँ.
Chinkara. The state flower of Rajasthan is Rohida. Jaisalmer is called Golden City. Udaipur is called City of समुद्र की नगरी को क्या बोलते हैं? झीलों की नगरी को.
Lake of City of Lakes.
City of Lakes.
हाँ.
Rajasthan famous food is dal bati churma. Rajasthan famous dance is Ghumar. Rajasthan has Aravalli Parvat. There are many festivals celebrated in Rajasthan like Diwali, Holi, Dashera, Makar Sankranti, Navratri, etc. Rajasthan Chief Minister name is Ashok Gehlot. Rajasthan famous clothes are dhoti kurta and lehenga choli, etc. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Jaipur is called Pink City.
हाँ. शाबाश बेटा. Very good.
Jaipur is famous city. Moti Dungri temple and Birla temple are most famous temple of Jaipur. That's all, sir.
शाबाश.